hungry cry out? Do we turn our head? When the thirsty are pleading, are we living instead? In a world full of strangers, where love can be rare, do we open our hearts or live unaware? Let us shine a light, let our hearts ignite. Lord, let us be your hands and your feet in a world that's broke as our creed. Help us remember the ones who are lost, just to serve with that compassion. Third of birth, Manali cast of prisons, hope starts to fade. In the shadows of prisons, where showing is made. With the sick and with the eyeless, showing his face. And we then sound like an act of mercy. We say, it's been a place when we serve the least, our spirits will soar. Lord, let us be your hands and your feet in a world that's broken. Love is our creed. Help us remember the ones who are lost, to serve with compassion, no matter the cost. For in serving each other, we should